message from him. I was looking at Monday, he wanted to ask you.
Was here on Harold Raleigh.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Morning.
Good morning. And where is Mr. Rowley?
And Judge, his name is incorrect. It's actually Riley Adams.
Oh, Ray Adams?
Riley Adams.
Raleigh
He just
Adams.
mixed it up.
All right. Hello, Mr. Adams. All right, so your attorney's filed a motion to withdraw?
Yes, Judge.
All right. All right, so they're saying they're having problems communicating with you. All right, so, oh, no gum chewing. That's okay. It happens. Don't swallow it, though. Our parents would always say it would mess up your intestines. All right, so let me explain something to you about communication with attorneys. I've been a defense attorney. I've been a prosecutor. Sometimes attorneys will tell us things. We don't like what they say. So then we say, it's your fault. This profession has to be the only profession where if somebody's in trouble, they blame their attorney. And I understand that. But usually when people have a medical issue, if they have a heart problem, they don't start blaming the doctor. It's your fault. I have a heart problem. Their whole thing is, what can I do so we can resolve this issue? But with attorneys, when you have a case, sometimes you're, why hasn't my case been dismissed? Why am I not in jury trial? Why hasn't this happened? So what I can tell you, if the issue with your attorney is, hey, why am I not in jury trial? It's because we have cases that are set before yours. If your issue with your attorney is like, you haven't got my case dismissed, attorney can't force the state to dismiss your case. If they want to dismiss it, they'll file a motion to dismiss, and then it'll be up to me to sign it. And if I don't want to sign it, I don't have to sign it. So if that's the issue, this motion to withdraw is not going to be granted because you need to communicate with your attorney. And what I can tell you, if you're not speaking to your attorney, you know what's going to end up happening? You're going to end up going to a jury trial with an attorney that you have never spoken to, and that's going to be your fault. How old are you? 50. All right, you're 50. So it's not like you're 3 and people can't communicate with you. So she's saying she has a problem communicate with you. Step back, communicate with your attorney. You understand? All right, thank you. All right. Sure.
Hey, Judge, to finish short.
Yes.
I know that we've been waiting a long time for him.
Yes.
We have.
Okay.
However, Pat Hancock wasn't given notice and he's out of county. He's
Okay.
asking for it to come back Monday.
Okay.
And the reason he wasn't given notice, Judge.
And I'm
is
fine with
when
that
they
even.
booked him, They between Mr. Hancock's.
Okay.
He wasn't on the docket, so
All right. So y'all want him here on Monday?
I'm fine with that.
Okay.
We should be able to work it out.
Oh, yeah, sure, Monday.
So I'll just put that.
Sure.
A few minutes later.
All right. Please be seated. Mr. Adams Raleigh, or Raleigh Adams, come forward.
Wait for it. 3, 2,
All right.
1, boom.
All right. You've been on this planet for 50 years, right? You need to speak up so I can hear. All right, let me explain something to you. People always say to the bold, you know, you get things because you're being bold. When I was a defense attorney, I would have male clients sometimes that would hit on me, right? And you know what I would tell my client as I'm seeing them at the jail? I would be like, you would be such a good catch. If only you didn't have this SID number and was charged with murder, I would consider. Your attorney doesn't want to date you. No, listen to me. Your attorney doesn't want to date you. So you need to respect your attorney. Your attorney knows all of your criminal history. Normally, women do not want to hang their star to somebody with criminal history. And when you are in a professional setting, you need to speak to that person professionally because that person holds your life in their hands in a way. Like maybe they don't want to represent you very well. Maybe it's, hey, this guy's hitting on me, he's all creepy. Maybe I should just let him go to jail. So the next attorney you get, speak to them professionally. There's none of this, hey, sexy, hey, baby, because they're not interested in you. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to allow your attorney to withdraw, and I'm going to appoint you a male attorney. If you want to say, hey, sexy baby to them, just see how that goes. Have a seat. You're going to get appointed to a male attorney. Have a seat. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Five in all the other cases.
2 minutes for the people.
Matthew Mansour on behalf of Ms. Bonham. Amber, can you unmute and state your name one more time?
Amber Louise Bonham.
Thank you. Mr. Mansour?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you for that opportunity. I have given Ms. Bonham the number to call. Thank you, Ms. Johnson. She sent me a number for the access number to get residential treatment. She has it. Your Honor, I'm hopeful she calls and checks into a program. She was just very, stressed out and frustrated and scared because she has a child at home. She doesn't know what would happen if she does check into a treatment program. I told her to try to line everything up right now with her work and her child and everything. She has the number. If you could please just, if you could leave the warrant outstanding, we understand, but please see if you can see if you can refrain from having her picked up like immediately, if possible.
We talked about this last time she was here. I gave her specific options to not have that occur. And we're back here again with what community correction shows as a positive test. Obviously, she's entitled to have a hearing on that when the time comes. The bench warrant will be outstanding, and she should get herself into a place within 72 hours. After that, I'm going to request that the Sheriff's Department pick her up.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
And there will be no more court dates set until these matters are resolved.
Your Honor, if I might.
Amber, no, please.
No, Mr. Mansour, I just want to understand what it is that is expected of me. I will go into a placement for some time period. I don't know.
Ma'am, I'm not your attorney. That is for your attorney to explain, and you've had a meeting with him. If you need additional time to talk to him, please call him so he can explain it to you.
I don't know what this means, and I'm just looking to understand.
Ma'am, I'm concerned that you may be actually drinking right now, because I don't know how else to say.
I'm not drinking right now, Your Honor.
Talk to your attorney.